Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Study with Vaishnavi. So this time I have come up with some interesting facts that every kid should know. But before getting started, I want to share a good news that our channel has crossed 100 subscribers. So thank you guys for making this happen. And I hope that we will soon complete double century. So now without wasting any more time, let's get started. First 5 facts are about weather. The first fact is some tornadoes can be faster than Formula 1 race cars. OMG, then you can think that how huge was the destruction. Let's go to the second fact. There are ice caves in Iceland that have hot springs. Isn't it soothing? If I would get a chance to go there, I would surely take a bath. As in that cold environment, it would be very nice to take bath in hot springs, right? Let's get on to the third one. There are 2000 thunderstorms on earth every minute. OMG. Means if we are talking now, one or the another thunderstorm must be going on in the earth. Now let's read fourth one. Rain contains vitamin B12. Means if someone has B12 deficiency, they can drink rainwater. Just joking. Don't drink rainwater as it includes dust and pollution particles also. To fulfill the need of B12 deficiency, we should eat animal products like fish, meat, eggs, milk, etc. So now let's read fifth fact about weather. Fifth and the last fact about weather. Clouds look white because they are reflecting sunlight from above them. Yes, cloud doesn't have any color. It's just a water vapor. It looks white because of the sunlight, reflecting sunlight. So if you are liking this video, please give it a like and don't forget to subscribe and also press the bell icon so that whenever I upload a video you get a notification. Now let's continue the video. Let's go to the next section of facts, that is facts about food. So if you are hungry, this will increase your hunger, be aware. The world's longest French fry is 34 inches long. That is the first fact. Did you know that? If you know, please comment below in the comment section. Type yes or no. So now let's come to the second fact. Ice cream was once called cream ice. It doesn't make sense, right? So I think they switched to ice cream. Let's come to the third fact of food. On the South Atlantic island of Tristan da Cunha, potatoes were once used as currency. That means we can buy chilies by potatoes. That is so interesting. Now let's come to the fourth fact about food. The strawberry is the only fruit that bears seeds on the outside. Yes, and I think that it has the smallest seeds too. Let's come to the fifth and the last fact about food. Ripe cranberries will bounce like a ball. Means that we can also play with that berries. We can, but we should not, as this is a food item, so we should not throw it and play. So let's come to the first fact about human body. So human teeth are as strong as shark teeth. If you were knowing that, please comment me in the comment section. Now let's come to the second fact about human body. So fingernails can grow 4 times faster than toenails. If you want to check this fact, you can also cut both your fingernails and toenails at the same time, and you can see that fingernails will grow more than toenails in the given time. Please check it. Now let's come to the third fact about human body. Your blood is as salty as the ocean. Very interesting. Now let's read the fourth fact about human body. Not only does everyone have unique fingerprints, humans also have unique tongue prints. So what about printing tongue prints on your property papers? Just joking, don't do it. Let's come to the last fact about human body. A human body contains almost 100 trillion cells. If you are in 700, you may know this, but if you are below that, this is an unknown fact for you. And let me tell you that a human body begins life as a single cell. So that's all for today's video. If you liked my video, please give it a like and don't forget to share with your family and friends, and also subscribe my channel and also press the bell icon so that you can get the notification of my new uploads. Take care and bye bye.